video shall be. So I was doing a twist out. Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I actually filmed, and I really hope you're not getting a lot of feedback. I also do not know how my voice is going to sound because I need a new microphone, okay? So I'm just trying to work with this because I'm all glammed up filming something else, and I figured I'll just film this quick version of a video I got a request for. So let's actually pause this and see what. So we are somewhat good on this, and I am trying to project as much as possible, okay? So just bear with me. Basically, I'm going to show you guys how I do my twist out. So my hair was twisted with I should probably show you. I'll probably just include a picture of the product. I use the h.ayzel. That's what I use for my twist out because it's the only one of the very few twist out creams or products or whatever that does not flake and give you white substances, make me be looking like an old lady. But that's what I use. So I did a twist out this, okay, and untwisted, okay. Now I work my way from the back to the front, back to front. That way I'm not like I've already untwisted the bottom part, and then I'm adding onto it instead of, you know, just going in all directions. So I have this front part here, it's not really touched, and I'm going to so I'm gonna take this is the very front part, okay? So I'm just gonna leave this one, and I'm gonna take this and start. I would work from the bottom side to the top of each section of hair that I pick. So I take it out, then I untwist it. I twist it like this. Do you see how many I got from just that strand of hair? Okay.
Okay, so from this point, the trick here is to start using your wide tooth comb to comb it from the back. You're just going to put it at the very beginning, like into your scalp, but you're not going to comb through the entire thing. So the heaviness within your scalp will make it stand up, and that's how you get the puffy flow. I don't want to take most of my curls out, so I didn't do too much, but it's from the bottom to the top. And this is how it turned out in the final look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.